We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing medical terms too, so make sure to stay tuned for this. So how do you pronounce this? Well, it seems there are two main and probably correct pronunciations that are used. The most common one is as dyshidrotic eczema, dyshidrotic. Now, quite a few people also say it as dyshidrotic eczema, dyshidrotic eczema, or more commonly dyshidrotic eczema, or in American English, dyshidrotic eczema. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting medical terms whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.